So today we are unboxing these, the Sony WH-CH520 headphones. It would be great if they named these well, but yeah, these seem to have good reviews, so let's get into it. So the lowest review I've actually seen for these, there's 38 reviews on the PB Tech website, but the lowest one I've seen is 4 stars, and they're all saying they have really good sound quality. So let's have a look at the specs. So max battery life 50 hours, a 3-minute charge plays it for 1.5 hours, can do hands-free phone calls. Yeah, so apparently the comfort in them isn't the best, but other than that, it's apparently really good. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox these. Also, the thing about the comfort is a bit subjective. Some people are saying great comfort, others are saying no, so for 64 New Zealand dollars they look like really good value. So let's open it. So yeah, these are just Bluetooth, and I think they support 3.5mm as well. Ooh, that's fancy. Okay, so these are the headphones here. So they do not have a 3.5mm jack on them, but I think they could still support it with an adapter or something. So it comes with a USB-A to Type-C charger in the box. Anyway, let's give them a test. So this is what they look like. They can fold like that. Assuming this is the right side, yeah. It's a bit of padding up here. And they're adjustable. So let's put them on and test them. The pairing thing should just come up on Android, I think. Oh, boom. There we go. They're very light. And then I can download the app as well. But let's give them a quick test. I think they're pretty comfortable. Let's listen to the Computer Crunch theme song. It's got a really clear sound to it. Oh, the bass is really good as well. Okay, so I get what they're meaning in the reviews about them. Yeah, I'm quite happy with these. Let's see in a few months. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, comment and subscribe. I'll see you all later. Bye.